The first time that I used a hand, it kind of blew me away just with how capable it was, how fast it was. Such a cool piece of tech. Think that like, okay, now I'm incorporating this in my day-to-day life. This is kind of a part of my daily living now. It's something that's so cool, so advanced. First thing I did is I went over to my dad's house and I shook his hand. That was a pretty powerful moment. I'm Aadeel DeMasi and I'm the creative marketing manager here at PSYONIC. First thing I thought of was I gotta meet this guy Aadeel who founded this company and came up with this great idea.
My name is Dr. Aadeel Akhtar. I'm the CEO and founder of PSYONIC. We develop advanced bionic limbs that are accessible for both humans and robots. So PSYONIC's Ability Hand is the first hand on the market to give users touch feedback. So when our users grab something, they can actually feel it. It's also the fastest bionic hand on the market. So the fingers close in 0.2 seconds, which is faster than we blink our own eyes. And it's super, super durable. One of the reasons we were able to make our hand much more accessible was that we were able to dramatically lower the cost of production for our hands. And one of the big components of that was 3D printing.
The benefits of 3D printing for PSYONIC have been innumerable. We've used it so much in all our early prototypes. My name is James Austin. I'm the lead mechanical engineer here at PSYONIC. A good chunk of the R&D and the prototyping we do is still done using 3D printing, as well as a lot of the one-off jigs, fixtures, demo parts, special presentation pieces, all this. It's just made so much easier being able to do it in-house and have control over it versus having to go through all the outsourcing work for things that are often low volume and not worth it.
We've gone through 9.5 generations of the Ability Hand, and they've all been in various forms of 3D printing throughout the years, including like the first 4 or 5 that were fully 3D printed, and that lowered the barrier of entry to us.
I'd say what I like most about the Formlabs printers is both the ease of use and the accuracy and the precision they give. Compared to FDM printing, having the print just come out pretty much perfect to spec every time, and then just cleaning it off and having a nice finish and everything, just makes things so much easier. We heard some quite good things about the Form 4, so we wanted to try it out, and I'm happy to say that they were all true. It's really a leap ahead. It makes it super easy for me to knock out 3D printed parts in basically a day if I need to. This finger bone insert is made of tough 1500 resin, as is this sensorization layout fixture. Probably a vast majority of our day-to-day fixturing parts are done in tough 1500 because we found it's a very versatile material. It's strong, but it's a little bit impact resistant, so it doesn't tend to shatter or break, and it lasts the longest for our needs. And this palm was done in biomedical durable resin.
PSYONIC has grown significantly in the last 2 years, more than quintupling our size, and we are producing 5 times as many hands as we were when we moved here. Best benefit of scaling up and the growth has been seeing the much larger number of people using our hands throughout the world, from things like feeding their baby for the very first time to paragliding. And by leveraging things like 3D printing and rapidly prototyping, we're able to make more of those things happen, right? And that is why we do what we do, for our human users to do things that they didn't even know they could do. 3D printing is going to be part of our DNA probably for the lifetime of the company.